Mom, that's a bubble.
Okay.
Hi guys, Jason back here. Today we are making a small slime. Oh, I love it though. It's so clear. I use like a half or a quarter because it's small.
All right, fold those in.
This last video, cologne. I can't. Glow in the dark stars. It shows very good on camera. Open it a little more. Guys, you can't even see it. Oh my god. Oh, you could. Never mind. I'm still gonna do it. Okay, let's do glow in the dark stars. You couldn't even see it because it got covered. Natural. Okay.
It's cool.
Yeah, I figured this out. Like, yeah. Because I looked close and they looked like...
It looks cool anyway, like if you just hold the light to the slime because it goes through the slime, the whole slime like glows.
Yeah, wait, Mom. You
When
do it
it's,
on
like,
my
on
side. Do it on
camera.
my side. See, the light is on you. See, it's on you. See, it's a little on you guys, though.
That's
And it was
cool.
on, see? Oh, that's...
Everywhere!
You're making a good... You making... Show the camera. I'll just clean the table with glitter. Turn the light off. It's maybe... Oh my gosh, Mom.
I don't think you
Mom,
can
I'm
see
gonna
it.
put this on you. Guys, look at that. Don't you dare, Mom. Don't. Mom! Yeah.
Are we partying now?
Hey guys! So I just made this slime, and guys, goodbye. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hey guys!